Grinderino with the Mini 13, little weight, and yeah, my prop's sitting there. I gotta cut those off. Do some juicy flicks, maybe a trippy spin, and some dives, and see how this thing handles the weight. 5S pack.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever going on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name? Step
Really good with that weight,
running
though.
away and jumping the gun to play it safe. Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this.
Oh,
Let's
not bad.
just
It's not bad.
give
It handles
in
really good,
and let the
actually.
feelings
I like that
overflow.
weight. Half Maddie. Do a Rubik's Cube.
I tried to shake it, find a
I
way
actually
to
like the
get
weight
it
of the
off
13
my
ounce.
mind.
Everybody was right, dude. Fucking
Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine.
nice little whippy there.
Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games.
I actually
Can
gonna
we
do
just say its name? Step out, running away and jumping the gun. Play it safe. Oh, it's been a weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
Oh, we got the trippy with it.
It's been a weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just
Say
give in
that we're good to go on that. The Mini 13 5S. I don't think it would handle good on with a 4S. Grinderino Mini 13 works fucking great. Gives it a little bit more weight for that chuckability.